Welcome back, children, and today we are going to talk about birds and insects. I know you might be thinking that we have already done birds, but why ma'am is teaching us again on birds? Today we are going to do on some special birds like parrot, ostrich, owl, sparrow, and pigeon. We are going to know about these birds more on this, and we are going to talk about mainly three insects: ant, honeybee, and spider. So, parrot, generally we see it on the trees. Parrot mainly green in color, light green and dark green. In these two shades we can see parrots. Parrots have a curved beak and have colorful feathers. These parrots live in warm tropical regions. And sometimes obviously mainly we see green color parrot, but sometimes we also see colorful parrots. We don't call them parrots. The birds with colorful feathers, we call them macaw, but they actually look similar to the parrot if you see them. Parrot can live up to 15 years, sometimes 20 years, sometimes 30, and can be more. Parrot generally lay eggs, and from that small little baby parrots hatch out. Parrot loves to eat insects, fruits, and many more kind of seeds. There is an interesting fact about parrot that we can see almost 390 kinds of parrots in this whole world. And even if you teach, sometimes a parrot can talk. Yes, children, sometimes we can see a parrot can talk. Parrot can also fly at a very high speed. Parrot not only eat small insects, they also love to eat different fruits and flowers, and even they love to eat chili. They can imitate the voice of human, and if you train them, they can speak like you, but their voice is very thick. How they eat their food? First they eat their food holding the food in their feet, then with the help of their sharp and curved beak, they tear the foods and they eat it. Parrot loves to make their houses or nest on the trees. They generally live in groups, and when they are in groups, we all know when we all are with friends, we love to talk. So, parrots are also like that. When they all are sitting together, they make a lot of noise, make lots of noise. Parrot is very intelligent and also naughty bird. That is generally mostly found in hot countries. Hot countries means summer, where the heat of the sun is more high, we can find parrot. Even in India also you can many parrots. Now let us know about owl. Owl generally is a night bird, or it can see at night. In the morning owl generally sleep, but you know children, in the night when the owl catches its prey or when it goes for its hunting, it hears, his hearing also very good, and they hear the sound of the prey or the insects or the small animals which they want to grab, and then what they do, and then they hunt. Generally owl can be seen all over the world except Antarctica, where it is very cold. Owl loves to eat squirrels, snakes, mice, insects, rabbits. Owl can be found in many colors, many different shaded colors. Even we can see white owls. Owl can be of a different size. They can hear very well. Very well means very well. And their head can be turned almost all the way round upside down. They also have sharp claws, which is known as talons. Which is a large flightless bird. It mainly lives in Africa. They are the largest living bird and they have the biggest eggs of all living birds. Ostrich do not fly, but they can run very fast, even faster than any other birds. Ostrich have the biggest eye of all the land animals. Ostrich mainly love to eat plant, but they also eat insects, seeds, grass, fruits, flowers, etc. Ostriches do not have teeth, so cannot grind food as mammals. They swallow it. Their eyesight and hearing also very good, and from far away they can sense that who is coming or who is not, means they are predators, they can sense them, such as lions, from far away. It can reach speeds in excess of 70 kilometers per hour. They can run and can run nearly speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Ostrich is the world's fastest two-legged animals. Even, children, it is believed that if we make omelets from the egg of ostrich, we can make 72 of them. It is the biggest egg we have ever seen. Sparrow are very small bird. They generally, we know it as sparrow, and we can find them in everywhere near our houses, buildings. Actually, they are the most easiest birds we can see in the wind near us. And there are near about 30 species around this world of sparrow, and they are very small bird. They are mostly 11 to 18 centimeter long. Even if their weight is also very less, they are actually usually in brown and grey in color. They have very short tail and small and strong beak. Mostly sparrows loves to eat seeds or small insects, but they are very social birds. They lives in groups, and generally they stay in the trees, mostly in the trees. There are near about 50 subspecies of them. Now the next bird is pigeon. Pigeon are generally domestic bird. You can see them here and there. They are a symbol of peace. They have very short neck and short slender kind of fleshy beak. They loves to eat seeds, cereals, lettuce, clover, chickweed, then berries, apples. There are many kinds of pigeons. They live in nest, and the nest are made of sticks. Pigeon build their nest with small twigs. Even sometimes we can see people keeping them at home. Some pigeons also been trained to carry mails to the different places. Even in the earlier days, they are used as postman, or you can say messenger. for sending letters from different places. Now here it is written, mark tick for the insects and cross for birds in the square. So first let us find out the insects. So ant is an insect, let us put a tick. Honeybee is an insect, let us put a tick. And then spider is a insect. So we have to put a cross for bird. Owl is a bird, ostrich is a bird, parrot is a bird, pigeon is a bird, then sparrow is also a bird. This is in page number 21. This is page number 22. You color the picture using crayons as shown. See, here green color is marked, then orange color and purple color. So complete this coloring. Transports are mainly of three types: land transport, water transport and air transport. What are air transport? Air transport means the vehicles or the transport which, not the vehicles, the transport which we generally see on the air, like aeroplane, jet plane, helicopter. This kind of transport moves the fastest. These are the fastest transport. Now if we are talking about water transport, in water also there are many transport, like boat, yacht, ship. So ship also, there are different kinds of ships and size of the ships. There are submarine which is underwater. So boat also nowadays there are two kinds of boats we can see in water. One is which is manual, means we need to use a oar to run that boat, and there is also nowadays a motor boat. With the use of the motor it runs on the water. And ships also, there are small ship, big ship, even a warship that is larger than everything. And not only that, even we have heard about the cruise ship. Cruise ship is like a hotel. Inside there are rooms where you can sleep, there are playing rooms where you can play games, there are small restaurants where you can eat food, and there are many entertaining things on that cruise ship, and people loves to travel from one place to another in these kind of cruise ships. So if we are talking about moving on to the land transport or road transport, first let us talk about train. Train is the fastest land transport. What we see, this is the fastest land transport. Now next, if we are talking about land transport, then there are cycles also found in many shapes and sizes. Then moving on to the motorcycle and bicycle both have two wheels. These runs on roads. Even motorcycle also varies in shapes and size, in colors. There are different kinds of cars which we find in road, different models, different colors, different shapes and size, and they are mainly four-wheelers. Even we can see more than four-wheelers, like trucks we can see, sometimes it's a six-wheeler, sometimes it can be eight-wheelers, depending on the how large that truck is. Not only that, van, police car, jeep, ambulance, fire engine, there are many more land transport. So now let us do the worksheet. This is page number 23. Circle the vehicles that run on roads. First we can see a truck. Obviously this truck runs on the road, so put a circle on this. Then car also runs on the road, So this we also circle. Train. Train is the fastest road transport. It generally moves on the track. So circle this also. Then bicycle. Bicycle is also a land transport. So we have to circle. Other than this, helicopter is a air transport and this boat is a water transport.